it's Phillips and welcome back inside another video. Today, you know, every channel has to have at least a slime video. Well, that's today's video. We're going to be doing a slime video. I'm really excited for today. I have my Elmer's ow, it's sticky because they came together. This Elmer's magical liquid, and it's glow in the dark, so it glows. I can't show you. I also have this really pretty glitter glue. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a slime, and so yeah, well, in order. So first step, you're gonna need a bowl. I just took a simple measuring cup. It doesn't really matter. You have to ask your parents first. My parents were okay with this. I've just got done with school, yay. And so take off the lid. Well, oh no, you see your glue? Now we pour it in. Yeah, this is really pretty. I like this. It's really hard to squeeze this. I'm not kidding, guys. I love slime glue. Okay, that's good. Whole bottle of glue in there. Sorry, I forgot my spoon. So guys, as you can see, a whole bottle. Open your magical liquid. Take the top off. I didn't know these had a top. And if you guys were wondering, this is not my first time making slime. So this will probably work. Only if you have magical liquid, it will do it the first time. If you don't, just have like borax, some baking soda, and glue, baking soda, all that. I've made slime before, so I'm really good at this. Don't put too much. Next one. Mix it in. I need a lot. That much. And pulverize it. It's really coming together. I like this. Ew, it's still really sticky. Add all of it. I think that's way too much. Halloween. Guys, it's Halloween for me. Say yes in the comment section down below if it is Halloween for you. Yes, it is Halloween for me right now. Well, it's not Halloween yet. It's just Halloween for right now. I like this. It's really slimy though. Ugh. I gotta go. I gotta go wash this off. use my spoon, so I had to get this. Let's start mixing, I guess. Make sure none of it will stick to the sides. It's good and stretchy. I like it in this slime. Keep mixing. I think it would be about slime consistency. It's not getting on my fingers. It can come right off. Yep, that's perfect. Get off, slimy fingers. I'm like, what? I don't like how if you make slime, this happens. Oh, my slime. I like this slime. It's being really nice, really pretty. I like it. I like this slime. If it does turn out really well, and I bet it will, this is gonna be awesome. It's actually slime consistency. Yes, that's what I want. Yes, 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 yes. Guys, just like I said, I have slime. It's awesome. It comes right off. Just stick it on. See, guys, it looks like it's sticking. Now just take it off like this, and then boom, it's off. This is a really good slime. I like this. This is probably the prettiest slime and best slime I've ever made. Because usually I mix colors, but because my cousin has a lot of colors, but still. Guys, you don't know how much I love slime. You can ask my cousin. I love slime. I love this slime. It's really good. It's a really good slime because it gets nothing on you. And so, yeah. Then, yeah, the step to making it is glue. Always glue first. Glitter. Mine turns out to be glitter glue, so I don't have to worry about that problem. But you can add glitter, whatever you want, after the glue. Then borax and baking soda. Or you can have this special stuff called Elmer's Magical Liquid. This one's really special to me. It's the best one I've ever had. It's really good. This one's I love this slime. It's probably my new favorite. It's easy to get off, so say if I just did this, it doesn't stick. So, yeah. And then you take it off. Boom. Guys, I like playing with this. It's really fun. Stretchy. I like it. Really stretchy. Well, not really. I put too much action. No, I didn't. It's perfect. I love the slime. It's my favorite. Now all I have to do is mix. I don't really want to touch it, but it's for the best. so slimy. That's how it's supposed to look, and right now, it looks ugly. Oh, it's getting there, it's getting there. Oh, yes, yes. It's almost there. Perfect. Almost. Yep, perfect. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I'm just gonna throw these two together. Mix it get it off my leg. Mix them together. Now I have a huge batch of slime. Now I have this huge batch of slime. I love this. It's my new favorite. Because, like, it's so squishy and all that. So, yeah. Squeeze. It's actually very fun to play with. So, yeah. Slime, it's my favorite. I love this. Really fun. I'm gonna go clean up this, and so yeah. I have this really good slime, so guys, that's how you make slime. If you did, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye! Stretchy slime, stretchy slime. Slime, slime, I really love slime. It's so easy to make, so I make it all the time. See you all next time. Goodbye!